I probably shouldn't have been checking my phone while carrying a full box of files, especially not near the fire alarm. My attention was fixed on a particularly mind-numbing email about Q3 synergy metrics, and the next thing I knew, my elbow caught the bright red pull handle. The shriek that followed wasn't just my files scattering across the linoleum, but the entire building's fire alarm system erupting. People started pouring out of offices, looking confused then annoyed. That's when I saw her. Chloe. She was standing by the water cooler, mid-sip, and had just sprayed a fine mist of purified corporate water all over her sensible navy cardigan. Her eyes, wide with surprise a second ago, narrowed on me. Seriously, she asked, her voice calm despite the piercing alarm. I felt my face turn beet red. I am so sorry, I stammered, scrambling to gather papers that now declared confidential to everyone hurrying past.